Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Ngayon pong ikalimang araw natin ng simbang gabi o Misa di Aguinaldo, tampok sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon ang tinatawag na The Annunciation of the Lord to the Blessed Virgin Mary. Ito yung pagtatagpo ni Anghel Gabriel at ng ating mahal na ina na si Maria, kung saan naipahayag sa isang dalagang babaeng nagngangalang Maria ang plano ng Diyos na siya'y napili upang maging ina ng ating Panginoong Hesukristo. And according to the details of the gospel, the angel Gabriel addressed Mary as Kekaretomene, hail, full of grace, or highly favored one. Ito'y pagpapakita na si Maria, ang kanyang title, and this is very surprising that the angel gave her the title highly favored one or full of grace. Now the Lord is telling through Mary that when the Lord gives mission, He also gives the necessary graces that we need in order for us to accomplish our mission. And so the mission that is being offered to Mary is so great. She would conceive, bear, and raise the Messiah, the Son of God. And so it is but proper that she would be filled with the abundance of God's grace. Kaya po ito yung address kay Mary, and it's the Lord who really sustains us when He calls. It is the Lord who calls. It is the Lord who sustains us in order for us to continue to accomplish our mission. It's not about us. And we know that Mary has been chosen by God, and the Lord gave her the abundance of grace so that she could fulfill her mission to be the mother of God. At the same time, ito rin po ay pagpapakita na ang Diyos ay really embrace our humanity, ang ating pagkatao, nang si Maria ay tinawag at binigyan ng ganitong mission. And so Mary conceived the word when she said her fiat, her yes to the Lord. Kaya ngayon pangalang Mary, tamang-tama, parang acronym na Mary always responds or replies yes. Her yes, her fiat, really made our Savior incarnated in her womb. May we learn from Mary, our mother, as our model of faith. Every time we say our yes to the Lord is really Emmanuel. He is in our midst. He is incarnated every time we say yes to His will and plan. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salitaw Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.